You just moved in, boxes everywhere, and nothing works because the internet isn't set up yet. The good news: getting online takes 5 steps. Follow along and you'll have a working internet before you unpack another box. To set up your internet, your ISP will provide some kind of connection device, and sometimes a way to broadcast Wi-Fi too. That device might be a basic modem or ONT. It brings the internet into your home but has no Wi-Fi built in. Or it might be a Wi-Fi gateway, a combo unit that handles both in one box. Either way, it gets you online. But online and performing well aren't the same thing. For better speed, range, and control, the real upgrade is a dedicated router, or even better, a mesh system that covers every corner of your home. That's where NETGEAR comes in. Whether you need a single powerful router or a whole home mesh setup, NETGEAR consistently outperforms the basic hardware your ISP provides. Now that you know what you need, here are 5 easy steps to get your home network up and running. Step 1. Connect your modem to the coaxial or phone port on your wall. That's the ISP cable coming into your home. Step 2. Run an Ethernet cable from the modem to the internet port on your router. It's sometimes labeled WAN. Step 3. Power on the modem first. Wait 60 seconds, then power on the router. Step 4. On your phone or laptop, find the default Wi-Fi network name. It's printed on a sticker on the back or bottom of the router. Connect to it. Step 5. Open a browser or download the router's app. Follow the setup wizard. You'll name your network, set your password, and you're live. Most modern routers, including NETGEAR's lineup, have a companion app that walks you through setup in under 3 minutes. No browser required, no typing in IP addresses. Most Wi-Fi problems start with placement, not hardware. Place your router somewhere central, not hidden away in a corner or cabinet. It works best off the floor, so a shelf or countertop is a better choice. Also, keep it clear of thick walls, metal surfaces, and appliances like microwaves, which can weaken the signal. If your home is over 2,000 square feet, a mesh system is more ideal. A single router will struggle to cover everything. A mesh system spreads coverage across multiple nodes, so you get a strong, consistent signal throughout your home without dead zones. Getting online is the easy part. Security is where most people drop the ball. Here's how to secure your home network. 1. Set your own Wi-Fi and admin passwords. Your router may come with randomized defaults, but it's still strongly recommended to replace them with passwords you've chosen yourself. Don't skip this step. 2. Use WPA3 if you can, or mixed WPA2 plus WPA3 for an ideal blend of compatibility and security. If your router only supports WPA2, consider having a look at an upgrade. 3. Keep your firmware updated. Routers receive security patches just like your phone does. Enable automatic updates if the option exists. Some NETGEAR routers include built-in security monitoring that actively blocks threats without you managing it manually. A real time saver. That depends on how you use your network and the devices you have. Wi-Fi 7 is the current mainstream standard. It delivers multi-gig speeds, handles more devices at once, and reduces lag, which matters for gaming, video calls, and smart home devices. And Wi-Fi 8 is already on the horizon, pushing performance even further. The good news: both standards are fully backward compatible. Whether your devices are Wi-Fi 4, 5, 6, or 7, they'll all work on a modern network. Nothing you already own goes to waste. Buying Wi-Fi 6 or 6E today is still a solid choice for most homes. But if you want to stay ahead of the curve, Wi-Fi 7 or soon Wi-Fi 8 is worth the investment. So, to set up your home internet, all you need to do is connect your modem and router in the right order. Then place your router in a central spot. Set a clear network name and secure it with the right settings and a strong password. If your home is larger or you want to stay ahead, consider a mesh or Wi-Fi 7 system. You'll find the full guide below, including step-by-step visuals and hardware comparisons. It only takes a few minutes to set up, and it pays off every day you're online. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more NETGEAR guides, and drop your questions or comments below. Thanks for watching.